His hands, they're callous, strong but gentle, as He holds me to His breast. His eyes, they're lifted to the heavens, as He asked that I'd be blessed. But then I feel a ripping pain. I sense the blood burst from my veins, and I wonder how this could possibly be love. Hardly daring, I glance into His eyes, and it is then I start to realize I'm blessed and broken as a token of a love I can't deny. I'm torn in pieces by my Jesus, the only way to beautify. Though the pain be bittersweet, this transformation He will complete. I'm blessed and broken, for only brokenness can heal.
His fingers hold my broken pieces as I struggle through my tears. His heart is throbbing right beside mine as I overcome my fears. And just when I feel at my end, one final thing He must still rend, and I wonder how this could possibly be love. Hardly daring, I glance into His eyes, and it is then again I realize I'm blessed and broken as a token of a love I can't deny. I'm torn in pieces by my Jesus, the only way to beautify. Though the pain be bittersweet, this transformation He will complete. I'm blessed and broken, for only brokenness can heal. His arm, it reaches for my pieces as I wrestle with the pain. His hands, they give me to another, that my life I might regain. With another's pain above my own, I find healing that I'd never known, and I start to see how this could possibly be love. With a smile, I glance into His eyes, and it is then I fully realize I'm blessed and broken as a token of a love I can't deny. I'm torn in pieces by my Jesus, the only way to beautify. Though the pain be bittersweet, this transformation He will complete. I'm blessed and broken, for only brokenness can heal.